everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm repurposing some thrifted items. So a while back I had thrifted one of these cylinder vases, and also I purchased that crystal shot glass that we're going to use as a stand for that vase. Now at Walmart, I purchased the Gorilla Grip glue. So that's what we're going to be using to stick this. I'm not going to be using hot glue because I don't want any accidents. Now this video is part of a collaboration called Living the Outdoor Life series. This runs through to August, and so I cannot wait to see you there. Now, Living the Outdoor Life is being hosted by Design with Emma and myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Hosting with us is Joyful Decor by Denise and Home by Design with Marilyn. Now remember, when you're working with a permanent adhesive, you want to leave it sit for 24 to 48 hours. You also want to be in a well-ventilated area. So leave it alone for 2 days, guys, and then come back to it and it'll be nice and sturdy. So the next thing that we're doing is I'm going to cut a strip. I don't want to cover the whole cylinder vase. I just want to do a portion of it. So I'm deciding the thickness. It's not going to be very thick, but it will give that hint of buffalo check. Now I'm going to be using the bling wrap in that beautiful green color. I also found some sticker pearls from the Dollar Tree that match. So we're going to go ahead and decorate this. It's going to come out so beautiful, guys. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the video. All right, so as you can see here, we're starting out with hot gluing the fabric to the middle of that vase. And then we're gonna do the same with the bling wrap and the pearls. I'll show you where I'm going to go ahead and border this. As you can see here, I used those pearls to border the bottom of the cylinder vase and the top, and I think this looks absolutely amazing. Then I decided to go ahead and do in between the bling wrap right on the buffalo check fabric. I decided to go ahead and use the pearls there. So this turned out absolutely gorgeous. All right, so this is almost done. Doesn't this look absolutely gorgeous? Look at this. I love it. This is perfect for the upcoming fall. So the next thing we're doing here is a small little floral arrangement. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that. Here's the bow that I previously made, and we're gonna head on over pretty soon to the reveal. So I am previewing a touch of fall. I think this floral arrangement came out absolutely beautiful with those wildflowers. Let's head on over to the reveal. Such a beautiful display. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.